tool and so we have a different tools using by the vendors like Jira tool. We have ServiceNow and Jira. ServiceNow, Jira. In short, we can call it as Snow. S for ServiceNow, no, Snow. In short, we can call it as ServiceNow tool as Snow only. So Jira, we can call it as same in Jira. So 70 to 80% of the clients are using Snow tool. I'm using Snow, okay? Snow tool for raising the users for on a day-to-day issues for the raising tickets, okay? Jira, 80 to 90% of the clients are using for raising change request. Jira tickets, we can call it as Jira tickets. This is comes under enhancement project and so enhancement team, we are going to handle this Jira ticket. Support team is going to handle ServiceNow tickets. So there is a small difference. Let's talk about support. Suppose, see, whatever I'm telling, that is, already, whatever I'm teaching, explaining anything in this level 2, very, very important. And these are using already in the live. Okay. I'm not giving any sample purpose, right? I'm giving the data, real-time data only I'm sharing now. So in support project, we are using a tool called ServiceNow. In short, we can call it as Snow. So this Snow application is handling by the client and it's just a sample tool. Just a sample tool. So tool means don't think much what is tool, how it looks like that. It's just a URL again, how our Oracle application is going to looks like. Same, we have a URL. So they will give the access to us. So that access also having by the end users. So end users using that ServiceNow tool to log a ticket. Okay. Tickets are two types and again. One is incident. One is instance. Second one is task ticket. Okay. First one is incident. Second one is task ticket. So ideally, if they have facing any issue, application issues, application failures, error related, if they are doing some process, they are getting some error message, they can log an incident. Okay. If they're running some report, the data is not coming, data is failing, something is happening. So they can raise an incident. So all problem related tickets, right? All issues, for all the issues, okay, they can raise an incident. Okay, all application issues, errors, okay, they can raise an incident. Then what about task ticket? When we need to raise a task ticket? So task ticket mainly for know-how related functionalities. It means they don't know the process. Or it may be an access issue. They don't know how to how to get access. Okay, it's not an application failure. Application failure once we need to log a incident a day. Application failure tickets we are going to call as a incidents, but most of the users does not aware of this difference. They used to raise incident for all, even for a task related also they will raise incident. So there will be a knowledge gap, right, for the users, end users. But as an application support engineer, you should know about this difference. When business used to raise incident and when they used to raise a task ticket. Okay, right. So if the number of incidents are more, then you are going to have a understanding that application is not stable. Since the errors are more, it means if the task tickets are more, then fine, there is no problem. Business users are not aware of the process, how they are doing the transactions, are not able, they are not able to understand the business process, maybe the new joiners and all. So they will raise a task ticket. Okay. So these are the two type of tickets we are going to have in the support project. So one is incident, second one is task tickets. So we have in support project, we have some DL&D. So we are going to have the DL name, your support project name. So any ticket raised by the client end users, so it will going to assign to our queue. So in between some help desk team would be there. Yeah. So they will assign help desk team. Suppose X user is there. X user is there. If they raise any ticket, if they raise any ticket and give the details and DL name. Okay, our group name, support group name. If the user knows and add it directly in the ticket, then it will reach out to our Q&A. Okay, if the user is, if X user is not aware about our group name, okay, support the group name, then he just log a ticket. Okay, then the help desk team will taken care about the ticket. They will look into the ticket, and if it is related to support project Oracle Fusion support, then they will assign to our project support project DL. So that ticket it will reach out to our queue. So that way it is going to work. Okay, or sometimes what will happen, so users directly reaching out to us, they will send an email. Suppose I have joined in a support project. Okay, I have started working on it. So I have connected, I got one ticket from my team lead. So I have resolved the ticket, I have connected with the user, and I got to know the issue and I fixed it. So later point, what they used to do is users, so they easily communicate in the email communication without raising ticket also. They will reach out to us in the Teams message and asking the queries. Okay, such scenarios also we have to ask them to raise a ticket. Since whatever the things you are working in the support project, everything should be recorded. Otherwise, you will get a question. You have to give that efforts. How much efforts you are putting in a day? How many tickets you resolved? Otherwise, there will be a question what you are doing. Yeah. So whatever the things you are handling in the support project, you should have a ticket, either task ticket or instant ticket. Even if the users are reaching out to us and asking some help, so everything you should have a ticket. You can help them, but yeah, you should take a ticket. Without ticket, we should not work. Your efforts will go away. Yeah. So that way, we are going to maintain some tracker in the Excel, at least if you are doing such activities without tickets. So someone will come later if they're asking about your justification, how many efforts, how many hours you are maintaining and all, you can show the tracker easily. So it will be good for you. Okay, to secure your job and responsibility. Fine. So this is how we are going to get the tickets from the client by using the service now, either task ticket or incident. Yeah. So whatever the tickets are assigned to our DL, okay, our group, right, support group, either team lead or or someone will assign, one person we will dedicately assign, or team lead can take the responsibility, or manager can take the responsibility, or senior guys will take the responsibility. So whatever the tickets are coming into our queue, they will acknowledge and assign to the tickets to the support engineers. So to us, it means, so if you are acting as a support engineer in the support project, you will get to assign the tickets by your leads. Yeah. So once the ticket is assigned, we have a different statuses for the ticket. So at the initial stage, it will be in the open. The ticket is open. It means ticket is not yet assigned. Ticketing status, I am telling. First, it will be in a open status. Okay. Open means ticket logged by the end user, but it is not yet acknowledged. So once the ticket is created and assigned to our queue, we are going to acknowledge.